So I bought this off Amazon. It's quite a large packet. I'm not really sure what the flavour is. I think it's Chinese river snail flavour. The packet contains loads of smaller packets, which is always interesting. Let's open it and have a look. So first out of the bag is the rice noodles. Now this is pickled cowpea, pickled radish and Jew's ear bag, which I looked up, and that I think that's a mushroom that grows on a tree. Also chili oil and pickled bamboo shoots. Snail soup. That's vinegar. And fried peanuts and yuba bag. Whatever yuba is, it looks like fried chicken skin. And that's the packet and what it's supposed to look like, which I sincerely doubt it will look like that. But hey ho, let's get cooking and see. So the fried peanuts and yuba bag, the yuba is probably, I think it's fried chicken skin. The chili oil bag and the water snail soup mix. It's that pungent smell, and that's the pickled cowpea and radish and Jew's ear, which is like a wood mushroom, like a mushroom that grows on a tree. And bamboo, pickled bamboo, and vinegar. And then obviously the rice noodles. So what you got to do is fill up a pan with cold water and then boil the rice noodles for like 12 minutes and then get rid of the water and then replace the water with fresh water. They're a bit stiff to get in, obviously, because they're not cooked, just like putting pasta in a dish of cold water. Looking back, if I was going to cook this again, I'd use pre-boiled water in a kettle instead of using cold water because it takes ages to bring to the boil. I think the idea is to boil it off, dispose of the water, so the rice starch isn't in the soup mix. That's the idea. So after 12 minutes, the water is boiled and the rice noodles are now soft. So pour away the starchy water and then add 500 ml of boiling fresh clean water. It's my boiling tap. Right, there we go. And then back on the hob. Now we can add the water snail base, super base, which has quite a pungent smell. Labelled up as the snail soup bag. In it goes. So now I'm adding the vinegar. And now the pickled bamboo, sachet. The pickled Cowpea, pickled radish and Jew's ear bag. Jew's ear on there, I've googled it, and it's a kind of mushroom that grows on a tree. And here's the chili oil sachet. It says to add according to taste, but I'm just adding everything as the designers has intended. Give it a stir so it evenly cooks. And then the last bag, which is the fried peanuts and yuba bag. So yuba is tofu skin. It does look like fried chicken skin, but it's certainly tofu. Now you can see the tofu skin, the yuba, floating on the top there. Ready to dish up. It's very hot. Make sure that I don't lose those rice noodles. Let it cool down a little bit. There's definitely a pungent smell coming off the Chinese river snail soup base mix. It's a bit hot as well, but I wouldn't say overly hot. It's definitely an acquired taste. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.